So my buddy picks me up in his Mazda 3 first generation. We're driving down the street, and I'm hearing this rattle noise, this clunk noise coming from the rear. I'm like, what is that? Well, that's one of the top 5 problems we're going to talk about in this video. Problem number 1, motor mounts. If you're going down the road at like 55 miles an hour and you feel like a vibration, you're thinking maybe it's your tires out of balance. It's not with this car. This car has a problem with their motor mounts. So you can get a kit at 1A Auto and just take care of it all. There's 4 of them in there. Just get it done. Is your airbag light on? If so, that's problem number 2 on this Mazda. It's going to throw a code B1877, and the problem lies in your pre-tensioner on your seatbelt. Speaking of codes, this car throws a P0128 code. If your engine light's on and you find that code, don't freak out. It's not a big deal, just means your thermostat is stuck open. So do yourself a favor, order it on 1A Auto and do it yourself. It'll save you some time and some money. Do you hear that? That's problem number 4. These Mazdas have an issue with their rear brakes. They've been updated since then, so you can get your pads and rotors at 1A Auto. Moment of truth. That sound you heard, that rattle in the back, it's these guys right here, the bushings. Sway bar links, bushings, they're not going to be shaking or anything. You're not going to feel movement. But Mazda has revised the bushings because of that exact sound. So what you want to do is replace them. There's a whole kit at 1A Auto.